In order to deliver good quality products and services to their customers, enterprises, corporates, employ a lot of reviews, and the reviewers are the one who make sure that the quality is good, customers are able to appreciate it, use it. But many of the organizations are not able to do a good job in reviewing. Rather, I have observed that if reviews are not done in a right spirit, then it stifles the creativity of the people, their energies. It makes them dumb. And what I have observed is most of the times the reviewers are usually very senior folks in the enterprise. Uh, they are part of the top hierarchy of the enterprise, and they, not all, but most of the reviewers I have found, they base their argument basis of big no. They would say, uh, while reviewing an architecture of an architect, they would say that it's not highly available. It doesn't support 4 nines availability. They would say that it is not a secure architecture. Any hacker can come and commit a cybercrime. Now it's left up to the creator to justify that it is a highly available architecture, it is highly secure architecture. The reviewer job is done and dusted by saying that it does not do this, it does not do that. So something which is negative, something which, and they point towards something which does not exist in this universe. They are not able to say that this architecture is uh, 999 availability. They will say that this is not highly available, but how much it is available, they will not be able to say this, because the moment you say something that it is 4 9 available or 3 9 available or 2 9 available, it requires a lot of content. Whereas saying it that it is not up to the mark, one has to learn from other projects, other accounts, other failure instances, and just apply them to this particular review meeting as well. One doesn't have to go through the pain. It is just, let's say, someone has heard about it and they just spit it out. The way human brain is, and most of the human beings, if we point the human brain to something which is non-existential, which does not exist, something like nothing, then human brain gets stuck. For most of human beings, those are good in uh, uh, finding faults, those are good in so-called reviews, good reviews. They can sustain themselves in so-called nothing. But in this universe, there is nothing like nothing. In universe, it is always something which is existing, whether it is small, big or small. A plant is there, a red color is there. Only in language we can say that this is not red color or not red. Only in not blue, no, not a tree. We can say only in language, in mathematics, in arguments, in universal existence. It is not there. The concept of no is not there. So when the reviewers who appear to be very smart, fountain of wisdom, you will find that most of the reviewers are harping on this no, which cannot point towards anything existential in this world. And innovation requires pointing the human attention to something which exists. If you direct a human being in the review to something which does not exist, most of the creative people will feel stuck. Only the people who are political in nature, good in arguments, they can make use of this no. But they will not be able to produce anything innovative. They will not be able to construct anything. They can only destruct. So enterprises who want to be innovative and who want to be continuously innovating, they need to conduct reviews in a manner where the review is talking something which is verifiable or which can be pointed towards something which exists in this universe. Not about this does not have this does not have that. That negativity, it's not about emotional negativity. I'm talking about the existential, something which is not in existence. Reviewers need not focus on that. They should focus on something directing the attention of the creators or people whose outcome is being reviewed, directing their attention to something which exists in this universe. That will foster or that will trigger the inner energy of the human beings to whom you are giving the review comments to think of applying, directing their energy in inventing something, in creating something. Otherwise, most of the creative people are very sensitive, and in reviews we can kill their sensitivity, which is the mother of invention. These reviewers may appear very, let's say, full of wisdom, but their full of wisdom is just an appearance, it's just a facade. They seem to know too much just because their breadth of exposure to multiple accounts of the enterprise is much more, but their depth is not there. They do not know the content, they do not know something which is existing. So enterprises need to really think who should be the reviewers. Someone who has done something, someone who has invented something, someone who has really delivered something hands-on, not someone who is high in hierarchy. Thank you very much.